Hi there! In this video, we'll show you how restaurant owners can set up delivery zones and charge a delivery fee for their restaurant. We'll also walk them through the steps of how they can access their delivery heat map that shows them the most popular delivery areas, as well as how they can create a free delivery promotion. First, restaurant owners must begin by accessing their restaurant's admin dashboard. They should then navigate to Services and Opening Hours, followed by Delivery. They'll need to click on Yes, then on Next to enable the delivery service. In the screen that appears next, restaurant owners should click on Got It when they're ready, then click on the Add Another Delivery Zone to start defining their delivery areas. Restaurant owners can zoom out of the map by pressing the minus sign to the top right of the map, or zoom in by pressing the plus button. They must now drag the white markers around the circle of the highlighted zone outward to increase the size of the delivery zone. As they drop the markers, they'll realize that the area covered by the delivery zone is listed in miles and kilometers. To make the delivery zone smaller, they should drag and drop the white markers around the circles inward. Next, they need to move to the top right of the screen and rename the zone to something that's more familiar to them and their food customers. Then they need to set a minimum delivery amount. Food customers' order value must be equivalent to or higher than that amount to be eligible for the delivery service. Then they should add a delivery fee for that zone. The fee will be automatically added to the cart value once an address is inserted and it's detected by the system as being inside that area. Delivery zones can also be defined by custom shapes rather than circles. To define their delivery zone with a shape, they need to click on the Add Another Zone link. Then click on the Shape button. Restaurant owners should click on a spot on the map to place the first point of the shape. They should then move their mouse to a second spot on the map where they'd like to place their next point. Then they should click to set their second point. They'll need to repeat these steps until they have their desired shape. To complete the shape, restaurant owners should ensure that the last point they set connects with the very first point they made. Restaurant owners should give their shape a name. Then set a minimum delivery amount and delivery fee. Restaurant owners can also draw their delivery zones so that they overlap each other. If their zones overlap, this online ordering system will choose the one with the lowest minimum order value, then apply the delivery fee of that zone. If they have several zones with the same minimum order value, then the one with the lowest delivery fee will be applied. Restaurant owners can hide a delivery zone so that it's no longer available to their customers by clicking on the zone they want hidden. Then they should click on the Hide Zone icon. They'll notice that the hidden delivery zone becomes grayed out. Once restaurant owners are ready to restart their delivery service to that zone, they should click on the Show Zone icon. Restaurant owners can also delete a delivery zone by selecting the zone they want to delete. Then they should click on the Delete button. They should also click Yes to confirm the deletion. Now they need to move to the bottom right of the screen and click on the Advanced Settings button to configure their delivery settings. In the screen that appears next, they should see two options: Orders Outside Delivery Area and Delivery Address Form. The Orders Outside Delivery Area lets them decide whether they'd like to allow their customers from outside of the delivery zones they defined to place orders for delivery. If the option is turned off, only customers in their predefined delivery zones will be able to place delivery orders. It is recommended that restaurant owners keep the option to accept orders outside of their delivery area enabled, because they may miss out on potential food customers that are trying to place orders for delivery just outside the borders of their delivery area. In any case, they can always reject the order from the order taking app if it appears to be coming from too far outside of their delivery area. In the delivery address form section, they can choose to use the default delivery form, which only includes the food client's town or city area, street name and number, and their postcode, block, or intercom number. If they want to add more fields to the delivery form, they need to click the Custom Selection button. From there, they'll be able to add additional fields like postcode, zip code, block, building, floor, and apartment number. Next, they should click on the Save button to apply the changes to the delivery form. Then they need to click on Next to save the delivery zones. Let's take a look at how the delivery address form looks to their food clients. For a step-by-step tutorial on how restaurant owners can accept or reject online orders and what happens when they miss out on orders, please click on the suggested video that just popped up on the screen. Once food customers select delivery as an option, they'll need to fill out their delivery address, which also include the custom fields that restaurant owners enabled in the delivery address form section in the admin. The street name and number, town or city area, postcode, zip code are mandatory and required by this system and cannot be disabled. After the restaurant's customer has entered their address, they'll need to click the Continue button. Food clients will then be directed to a map where they'll be asked to drag the pin on the map to indicate their exact location. Optionally, they can skip the pin location step by selecting the Skip option. After food customers have moved the pin to their exact location, they'll need to click Done to finalize the placement on the map. Food clients must then click the Save button to move to the next step in the checkout process. A pop-up message will be displayed advising the food client of the restaurant delivery fee for their location, as well as the food client's new cart total. This restaurant order taking system collects the data of all the restaurant deliveries and combines them in a heat map report. To access this data, restaurant owners should navigate to the reports icon to the left of their admin dashboard and select Extended, followed by Delivery Heat Map. Restaurant owners can zoom out of the report by clicking the minus button to the top right of the screen. Or zoom in by clicking the plus icon. The report can be fine-tuned to show delivery orders over 24 hours, 7 days, or 1 and 3 month periods. The brighter colored regions indicate areas with higher delivery orders, and the darker colored regions pinpoint areas where delivery orders are less frequent. Restaurant owners can choose to attract more customers from the areas with less orders by creating a free delivery promotion. To create this offer, they should go to the Promotion section in their restaurant admin panel. Then click on Self-Made Promotion. Next, they need to click on Add Promo Deal. In the screen that appears, they should click on the Next button to the right of the free delivery promotion. Here they can change the headline for the promotion, give the promotion a description, and even change the promotion picture. Restaurant owners can use one of the free food stock images provided in the admin, or they can upload their own. They should now click on the Next button to continue setting up the promotion. In order to offer free delivery, the discount percent must be set to 100. If they want to offer another deal, for example, half off the delivery fee, restaurant owners would need to set the discount percent to 50. Then they should set a minimum order value. This means that the food customer must spend at least the inserted value to be eligible for the promotion. They now need to click Next. Restaurant owners can set the promotion to be available to new clients, returning clients, or both. The promotion can also be applied to all their delivery zones or to a specific delivery zone only. Restaurant owners should now click on the Save button to finalize the promotion. Under the Status column, they need to click the slider to make the promotion available to their food customers. Restaurant owners can see what the promotion will look like to their food clients by clicking the Preview button. They should click Preview again to access the restaurant widget. Once the promotion is active, a new section will appear to the top of the restaurant menu widget with the image and promotion name and description that they selected earlier. If the promotion was made available to all delivery zones, it will be applied automatically to the checkout cart. A pop-up will then be displayed to the bottom of the menu, advising food clients that the deal has been applied. If the promotion was set up to a particular delivery zone, the promotion will only be applied once the food clients enter their delivery address. The conditions for the promotion are also listed in the checkout cart for food clients to see. Have a great day.